So let's continue our free Mehndi course series during Ramadan. In today's video, I will show you such a lovely design that you won't find on any page. I have created it from my mind. You must see its final look. This is for those who like slightly heavy Mehndi for Eid, or you can apply it as a nikah bride or engagement bride.
We started the design like this, made a spiral, added humps on top, and then added a few petals to give it a flower look. After that, we need to make an arch. I have also provided a separate tutorial for the arch in a video. Those who don't know how to make it can watch that video once and then you can make your arch. After that, you need to make a double line. We will do shading in these and then another line will come on top of which we will make humps. I have divided this tutorial into 3 parts because in one part the video becomes too long, around 10 to 15 minutes. That's why I have made it into 3 parts. You must watch it and definitely practice this design. In the final look, I will show you in the next part what type of design this will be, but it will be very lovely. You have to make humps like this and complete it, then do its shading. And you have to tell me in the comments what type of design tutorials you want for Eid. Some girls have been sending me the same design for 2 or 3 days. Please create this. I know episode ISS study. Yes, I will create that too, inshallah, very soon. I post tutorials in such a way that one includes a simple design and another includes a slightly heavy one, so that those who request simple designs are satisfied and later those who request heavy Mehndi are also satisfied. After this, we have to make a double arch. Once you make the arch once, the sun and your last so it won't be tough for you to make another. Then we have to repeat the same step, make a double line and then make humps on top of it and shade it. Alright girls, many of you Mehndi artists message me in DMs asking how much to charge clients for your designs. Then you say that they don't pay more than 100 to 150. Set your charges according to your area, and secondly, charge based on your neatness and work quality. Okay, see you in the next class.
Until then, Allah Hafiz.